Good morning, friends. Good
Good,
morning, my friends.
good morning.
Morning.
Good morning,
Every
Sanjay.
Good
yes,
morning.
Good
yes.
morning.
Thank you so much, friends.
Morning.
Every one of you now know because of the interaction of last few days what is going to be the topic for my today's presentation. It is how to be a dream achiever, how to complete a journey from a dream watcher to a dream achiever. That's going to be the topic of the day. Before I start, actually make a beginning, I would like to pose a question to you all, which is very much pertinent to the subject topic what I have taken. Friends, what is a dream? I would request a couple of you to come forward and define this small, beautiful word dream. What is your perspective? What is your idea about dream? Can a couple of people can come forward and share their views, please?
Yes, Sanjay.
Yeah, please.
So I think every human being has dreams. So dreams are basically defined as wishes, as desires, as something that will obviously make them happy and make them complete. In
Beautiful, beautiful, lovely, very well said. Somebody else? Yes, please.
Yeah,
Yeah, go ahead.
Sanjay, if I can say,
Yeah, yeah, please come.
dream is an ideal situation that you want to be in.
Super, fantastic, fantastic. Anybody else?
Yeah,
Before I
yeah,
start,
hello.
yeah, Priya, yeah, Priya, please.
Okay. Dreams are better than reality. Dreams are like when you fancy, they are the best. When you fear, they are the worst. So it depends on the dreamer whether to make the dream good or bad.
Such a beautiful perspective to this definition. Thank you, friends. Thank you for giving me an additional insight on what I'm going to talk about today. What a magical word this dream is, and equally powerful. To dream is a beautiful set of words. It's from time immemorial we people dream. We can say that our present is the result of the dreams we saw in the past, and our future is going to be the dreams we see today. Friends, all of you would agree with me that we as humans, we thrive on dreams, we thrive on hopes, we thrive on tomorrows. We are always in a continuous journey, say from point A to point B, and we look forward to constant improvement. We look forward to constant evolvement. And for the same, we ensure that we keep ourselves upgraded. We upscale ourselves to make ourselves relevant with today's world, with today's changing times. So, friends, this is the dream what you have shared with me, and that is what I talk about my dream. Let's start with a very, very small activity, a very, very simple activity. The name of the activity is virtual passing the ball. What I'm going to do is I have a virtual ball in my hand right now. I'm going to throw this ball in the audience by calling the name. For example, I called the name of Bhavesh. So Bhavesh is going to take the ball as if really he's catching the ball with him. But at the same time, before I throw it, I'm going to declare and announce my dream to you all. At the same time, when you receive the ball, you are going to throw the ball to the next participants without thinking much. Instinctively, what comes out as your dream, you are going to shout your dream out and you are going to throw it to the next participants. Let's see, within the next 2 minutes, we can try and complete as many participants possible, and the ball comes back to me. Okay, friends, so are you all ready?
yes, yes,
Are you all ready? Yes.
yes,
So
yes, yes.
so I have this ball, and my dream is to become the best motivational speaker in the world. I throw the ball to Bhavesh. Catch the ball,
Oh
Bhavesh.
my God.
Make
Okay.
it quick. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. My dream is to become a world-class speaker. I'm throwing this to Dr. Mobani. Oh,
Yes, Bhavesh, I am here. I am throwing ball to because I don't know nobody here. Deepika, and my dream is to become a best relationship coach. Yes to Deepika.
Yes, friends, come on fast. We are not supposed to think much.
Deepika, throw that ball.
Throw that ball to somebody else. Deepika.
Deepika is dreaming.
Okay, okay.
dream.
Okay, the next
Very long
person.
dream.
Next person catch the ball. We start with the ball. Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'm catching this ball. My dream is to become a successful speaker and motivational. Passing to Nidhi.
Okay, I
Shout
got the
out.
ball.
Shout out with energy, my friend. Shout
Yes,
out
so-
with energy. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So my dream is to become a soft skill trainer, and yes, and also to teach students. Now I'll pass this ball to Jayesh.
Ah, thank you. My dream is to become the most complete human being in the world. This is to to Ayan.
Hey, thank you very much. My dream is to become a leadership coach and help people realize their potential. It is going to Ishan.
Fantastic. Superb, superb. Come on, guys. Come on. We have few seconds
Thank
with
you.
me. Yeah.
I think my dream is to transcend myself to the highest level of spiritual energy. Thank you. I will transfer it now to Farooq.
My dream is to be the best in whatever I endeavor. Agnes.
All right. Thank you, sir. So my dream, ladies and gentlemen, is to become a very successful corporate trainer. And my topic would be leadership and self-grooming, etc. And I throw the ball to Dashrath.
Oh, my dream is to better person of myself every day, and I throw this ball to Ajay Agarwal.
Oh, Dashrath, thanks. My dream is to become a better person, a better human being, and a good trainer.
Great.
Yeah, I throw this ball to Priya.
Okay.
Okay.
My dream is not to work and wander the world.
Priya, I want the ball back. Priya, I want the ball back now. I
Okay,
want the ball
Sanjay.
back. Fantastic. Just give a big round of applause to everybody who has shout out their dreams today.
Very
Wonderful. We have friends, ladies and gentlemen, we have so many dreams floating in the air right now. So many dreams. And just tell me, how do you feel by announcing and declaring your dreams to the world, to the people whom you know since last few months, few weeks, your colleagues, your batchmates? Tell me, how do you feel, guys?
Committed, totally committed.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Sanjay,
Yes.
I feel if I say some words which come from my mouth, I want to see that it comes true.
Yeah.
Not
Yes.
for others, but for myself.
Exactly.
Yes,
So much of the dreams floating in there. Hey, universe, are you watching? Are you listening to my friends just shouting out their dreams? You better see to it that everything is fulfilled. Yes, and the message is conveyed. Message is conveyed for all.
I don't
Yes,
have
friends.
to work. If this class gets correct. Okay.
Yes, friends. So, very nicely put by Mr. Douglas Everett that there are some people who live in a dream world. There are some who face reality, but there are a very few of those people who turn their dreams into reality. And guys and friends, ladies and gentlemen, we want to be in that bracket of people where we convert our dreams into reality, and we are going to make it sure. I am ensuring that we all are going to make it that. Friends, in spite of everything, we all do feel that sometimes we fall short of our efforts. We fall short of our intentions. We fall short of our competences. We feel incomplete in spite of absolute sincere intentions, hard work, and effort. We do not reach to a target where we would like to reach. We have that incompleteness of the experience. Friends, there is always a missing area, a missing link, a missing piece. Today, the objective of this session is going to be to find out. We are going to attain two objectives. First, I am going to see to it, not I am, we are going to see together that we become a dream achiever from just being a dream watcher. And secondly, in the process, we shall ensure to find out what is this missing link What is this missing areas we need to focus on? Friends, George Bernard Shaw says, you see things and you say why. But I dream things which were never there. And I ask, why not? Such a wonderful, authentic statement and such a wonderful feeling we get when we listen to such kind of captions. Friends, on the piece of paper where you have mentioned your dream, which you shouted out, take a pen, put your dream on that piece of paper and just put a some time period, time frame wherein you would like to achieve your that dream. Kindly do that, my friends. Kindly do that. Put up your dream in a big bold letters in large caps on that piece of paper and give a small time frame. It can be 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, depending on what kind of an intensive dream you have seen for yourself. Please, friend, kindly do it. Yes, everybody is doing that. Great. So, friend, we all must watch dreams. It not only gives meaning to my today, but it decorates my tomorrow. It gives me hope. What better justification and proof that we all are here together, even after having a balanced life, respective balanced life in our career and family. We all are here in IATD trying to learn something new, trying to upskill ourselves, trying to upgrade ourselves because we still feel unfulfilled somewhere. We have some sort of an incompleteness within us. And that is why from the age of 30, we have somebody who is approaching his 80, trying to learn something new. He has some of the dreams which he wants to achieve. And very important. And friends, so that is why I am going to address some shortcomings which is in our life. Some of those areas, some of those faculties which is pulling us down. Wisdom says, the expert says, focus on your strengths. Why are you focusing on your weak areas? Work on your capabilities. Why are you talking about the negatives of your life? Sir, friends, I do understand. I do agree that. But today, purposefully, intentionally, I would like to address few of such areas which I feel is my foundation. And if I don't address this today, I am never going to be consistently successful in future. Very simple. So friends, what I did was I thought about this subject when I decided that I want to do this subject. I thought and I researched many things. Everywhere I was flooded with so many adjectives, so many skills. Ye karo, wo karo, but nobody was addressing the root problem. What was connected to our success or achieving our dreams? I did an online survey. I have few WhatsApp groups, and that is ranging from age 20 to almost 60. I threw a very simple question at them just to know what do they think. There were around 300 plus people in approximately 8 WhatsApp groups I am talking about. I asked them one simple question. What is that one thing which stops you to achieve your dream? Friends, a 20% 20 old person was also supposed to answer this, and 60 years old person was also supposed to answer this. A very simple question. I take this opportunity to ask all of you to write down a couple of those weak areas, a couple of those weak faculties which you feel have always stopped you in achieving further. It always stopped you and always pulled you back at the wrong time. I'm not going to ask you what are your weak areas, what you have written in that, but I would just like you to mention in one corner of that page, kindly mention these faculties, please. Then I'm going to tell you the result of my survey. Kindly mention a couple, maybe it can be one area, maybe it can be two area, maybe it can be one sentence. Please, friends, write down on that piece of paper about the weak areas or the shortcomings you feel that you have. Yes? So I believe everybody is following up the instructions, whatever is being discussed. Yes. Okay. So I move further. Friends, you would be surprised around 73% of the people responded to this questionnaire, which was a fantastic response, which I would say, fantastic response. And I was surprised. I was surprised. Such a simple question. Most of the participants could not come with a very clear, simple, and specific answer. The surprise was that they were not sure about it. They were absolutely blank, many of them. Lack of clarity. And I thought, if I want to address some specific issues, I have to pull them out and get the clear answers. Everybody were replying on my personal window. What I did was a very simple. I started digging, asking them, digging them further, till the time they realized. I was not guiding them to any particular solution. Mind you, my friends, they realized the simple root cause which I wanted was on the piece of paper. And similarly, I got that from many friends. You all would be surprised. We are talking about two such weak areas which we all know, which we all act upon maybe on a daily basis. But we have not understood the pattern, how to approach and how to make it vanish. Friends, these are the two things. One was a fear factor within them, fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of even stepping out, fear of taking an initiative. And the second area was lack of self-confidence. Friends, we have addressed these two issues time and again. In spite of that, whenever we are supposed to reach to a particular frame or particular stage, we still feel that we have something amiss. We have some problems. We won't be able to do it. What is happening, guys, that time? What is happening with us? We need to address this. Friends, I would ask you a very, very small and sweet question. Tell me, if I tell you that you are not going to fail, how are you going to approach your task? How are you going to put in a specific effort in your particular work? Just tell me. If somebody tells me, Sanjay, you are not going to fail today at least, what am I going to do? I am going to try my best. That is one thing, but I am going to try and achieve my 100% potential. I'm not going to look anything below that. Just imagine, in a game of cricket, a batsman is asked to go and play, and just tell him that today he's not going to be out. He is not going to be bowled out today. He's not going to fail. What that person is, the player is going to do, he is going to try and achieve maximum output from every ball which is thrown at him. And in a game of cricket, the standard maximum output is to hit it for a six. He is going to try and hit every ball for a six. Friends, such a wonderful thing. If we have some shortcomings, if we can address them properly, we are always, all of us are going to try and achieve our full potential. This is a wonderful thing. Let us share a couple of examples with you. A sports person has mentioned somewhere that I have missed 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost 300 plus games in my career. On 26 times I was interested to take the winning shot and I failed. I failed over and over and over again till I succeeded. Friends, tell me, which player am I talking about?
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan.
Absolutely. The player is none other than Michael Jordan, one of the biggest basketball players the game ever produced. Let's talk about somebody from our country. We all know that person. The Bollywood is a big industry in India, big entertainment industry in India. An actor, he's making a humble beginning with consecutive one failure after another. He has 7 continuous failure in 3 years. He keeps working on it. We know his meteoric rise to name, fame, and stardom. At the same time, we know that his company got busted. he got bankrupted to an extent that he went door to door asking for roles. He took some ad assignments which might not have suited to a person of his stardom in normal circumstances. Absolutely. He's none other than Bollywood king Amitabh Bachchan, the Vijay Dinanath Chauhan of our industry. Yes, that is the power of such failure to success stories. There can be, friends, hundreds and thousands of such stories if I go to narrate. Talk about Dhirubhai Ambani, talk about Rajnikant, talk about Narendra Modi. There can be many things. Friends, just tell me, what is that couple of things or one thing which is common in such kind of a rags to riches or a failure to success stories? Just couple of things which has to be common. A common root, a common faculty, a common instinct. Can you just throw a couple of ideas in there? Just a couple of ideas in there.
Self-belief,
Persistence, consistency,
confidence, hard work, self-belief,
follow through,
dream,
humility.
Keep going.
Never give
up.
Fantastic.
Never give up.
Fantastic.
Never give up.
Fantastic. So many things. Friends, I would just like to put my small input in that. There can be 10 people who are passing through similar kind of adversities. Somebody can have less confidence, somebody can have more confidence. Somebody has a different kind of an environment. Somebody has a different genetic planning. Somebody has a different kind of resources. All these things are variable. All these things are variable. But what is a common thing which never varies? It is all of these people had a dream. They saw a dream. They made their dream a vision statement for their life. And in spite of adversities, in spite of resistances, in spite of failures, they kept walking. They kept acting on it, and that's a beautiful part of it, that they achieved success. Their skill and their faculties can be variable. Somebody might have small, and yes, of course, these always had a belief that I can do. They always had a belief I would be able to do. Such a fantastic thing it is. And friend, this statement, if you read, which Dale Carnegie says, do the thing you fear to do and keep on doing it. That is the quickest and the surest way ever yet discovered to conquer fear. What a lovely way. When you want to address your shortcomings, face them. Keep working on them. Just do not put it aside. Don't try to avoid or don't try to ignore that. It is a very, very simple thing. Friends, I would tell you, when we reach to the dusk of our life, I don't want to regret and say that I could have done that. I might have done that. I should have done that. I don't want to regret that. I want to make a slideshow of my life as such that when I see my slideshows, I would like it to see again and again. And not only me, the people around me would love to watch my slideshows again and again. I need to work on my highest possible potential every time by addressing my shortcoming, which is very, very simple. Friends, this is the action. Now, this gives me the first formula of the day. Friends, I would like to ask you and request you to put that formula. This is the first formula. We have not reached the final formula yet. It is the dream achiever is equal to vision plus action. Nobody would deny that. This has to be real. Dreams has to be converted into vision statement, and there is an action which is involved to make it a success. Friends, kindly put this formula on that piece of paper. Dream is equal to vision plus action. Now, this is very simple. Everybody has read that. There is no surprise in this equation. Now, the real surprise I would like to bring. What we do is, in order to achieve our dreams, we forget to understand the real pattern, how to go about it. We have so much of information, knowledge, and the influence which keeps pouring inside us. We have so much of negative emotions and influences that we forget the first basic thing. We don't act. We forget to act. That is the one thing. And the second thing is, friends, because of so much of prejudiced knowledge and preconceived ideas, we have developed the rigidity inside us. The rigidity not to understand the person as he is, not to understand and take the situation the way it is. We try to resist, we try to be rigid. Friends, put in the first word which I would like to ask you to put is the acceptance. We do not accept the things as they are. Sometimes we need to completely become submissive and surrender ourselves to certain situations so that new avenues and new opportunities and new possibilities are going to open up for us. Friends, just below this equation which I told you, the basic equation, put a word acceptance. Now, when we talked about these stories of failure to success, as somebody from my friends pointed out, they had belief in them. They always believed they can do it. Friends, besides this acceptance, make a addition sign and put this word belief. See, friends, we are trying to reach to a solution which is going to be novel, which is going to be absolutely wonderful. Now, acceptance is there. We are ready with a dream, with a vision, with sort of an action instinct in us. We are ready to accept the new horizons and new possibilities. Now the belief. You might ask me or somebody tell me, Sanjay, it is very simple. You tell कि भाई belief होना चाहिए, तो belief थोड़ी ऐसे ही नहीं आ जाएगा. There has to be something which is going to sustain my belief in me. Yes, this question from my friends is always giving me my third word of the day. Kindly make one more addition sign beside belief and put communicate. Friends, this is not the communication which we are learning as a skill to interact with the external world, to deal with the different outside situation. This is a communicate we all forget. Specifically, I am addressing this to some housewives who are currently the audience of today's sessions. What happens is you have a dream, you have a vision. We fail to communicate our dream to our family, our parents, our kids, our spouses, maybe one of the close friends who are the immediate family members, who are the well-wishers. And these are the people, if convincingly, with conviction, if we tell our dreams and vision to them, friends, believe me, that is the first step. The communication has to happen within the house before we go out and communicate with the world. These people are going to become your co-traveler. They are going to join the journey, and these people are going to give you the boost of the self-belief which you are asking. Whenever your self-belief goes down, these people around you are always going to push you up, always going to pep you up. They would not allow your belief to come down. So this is the belief. We have the communicate. Final word of the day, sir, friends. Till now everything we are operating from our mind. We are operating all virtual things. We are talking about dream, virtual, vision. We are talking about beliefs. We are talking about acceptance. The first action word, which is the final word of the day, and that is D for dare. D-A-R-E. Friends, put up one more addition side besides communicate and put up this dare. My formula for the day is over, friend. We are going to achieve our dreams, vision plus action, but we are going to utilize the pattern. We are going to utilize the channel, which is A, B, C, D. Very simple to remember. Acceptance, belief, communicate, and dare. We have to dare to dream. We have to dare to act. We should have the dare to believe ourselves. This is the only action word which gives me the original word of vision plus action. Friends, so my formula, as I told you, the first basic formula, a dream achiever is equal to vision plus action. And I am going to operate, being a dream achiever, aspiring to be a dream achiever, I am going to operate from A plus B plus C plus D, with acceptance, with belief in me, with communicating my dream absolutely to make my environment conducive for my growth, and daring and putting up enough courage to put it into the action. So here, friends, I complete exactly my session. in coming out with a formula as promised in any of the mediums. You are not going to find this pattern in this way. This is highly researched, given lots of contemplation, and still we have time. I think we have good time in hand, right, Priya?
10 minutes.
Priya, we have,
We have
10 minutes. 10 minutes. So I would like to take some questions when I asked you people to put down your faculties, shortcomings, or the weak areas. I would like to address that all of those weak areas are going to be the branch out of this particular pattern which have been formulated. If somebody would like to tell a couple of those short areas of your life which you have mentioned on the piece of paper, we can try and prove that with this pattern we can dissolve those areas in your life. This has to be the pattern. Would anybody like to come forward and share their shortcomings? Maybe one person only is more than enough.
Yeah, myself, Suresh. Suresh.
Yeah, Suresh.
Yeah. Mine, the most prominent area is not being organized.
Okay.
Not being organized. There are many more, but this is the area which is impacting in all other areas of my life.
Absolutely.
So.
Okay, then I'm see. It's very simple, Suresh bhai. First of all, if you are unorganized, you know about it. Fantastic. You know that this is your weaknesses. Now the only thing you have to see, if you have any vision statement which you have planned for yourself, if you know I'm going to achieve this dream in the next 6 months or a year, automatically your priorities are going to be organized for you, provided you are convinced about you want to achieve your dream, you want to reach to a particular point, you want to act. If you want to do it, this is a very small problem which can completely dissolve if you have a strong vision statement to act and your priorities are well defined, and that gets defined automatically once our vision, once we move ourselves away from lack of clarity. This is nothing but a lack of clarity. Somebody else, Suresh bhai, are you happy with the answer?
Thank you. Yeah, really.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anybody else would like to come?
Yeah, Sanjay.
Yeah, please, Reena is there, right?
Yeah. So Sanjay, my problem is procrastination and lack of confidence at times. So these are the two things that hold me down. So what to do? Please help me.
Yes, Reena, very, very well said. Procrastination is also one of the things which is nothing but a branching out of the fear within us. Some sort of lack of belief that I would be able to do it. And because of that lack, what we do is we try to delay facing that reality. We try to delay it, and ultimately your second shortcomings which you said was a lack of confidence is nothing but an interlinked of your procrastination. Once you are absolutely clear, once you establish your belief in yourself, once you are confident, once you try to act on your vision, believe me, these things which you are avoiding or ignoring or deferring, you are going to grab them by collar and do it today, but you are never going to procrastinate. This is my 100% belief, but you have to be clear about your vision, your goal, and you want to act and achieve that. That conviction is required.
Okay.
Friends, this has been a wonderful journey. I can ensure that any of the root problems which you have written, all the 30 of my friends or 35 of my friends, I can relate it to the main issue. And if we establish this channel, you have to just remember A, B, C, D. I'm stuck somewhere. I'm sitting with somebody. I'm striking a deal and there is a resistance. What am I feeling? Am I not able to accept the situation right now? Is he going to be too hard on me? First of all, accept the things that this is. You accept that person, you become mild with that person. Have a belief, I'm going to get it through. I'm going to communicate with him the way you would like, your perspective. You have to have that dare element to do it. Believe me, with small effort, instead of 10 minutes, you work for 20 minutes, you are through with this problem. You are going to achieve your dream. So friend, we have arrived at this formula. I would like to complete this session. It was a wonderfully interactive session. I just pray to God that He gives me enough confidence, enough faith, so that we can all move together and achieve our potential. I would just like to finish it up, complete it with one pratna, and anybody can sing with me a very popular and very simple pratna, and that is the final formula in front of you on the screen, guys. The pratna is इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. We have to be honest, we have to be sincere, work on your values, work on your ethics. Sky is the limit. Work on your full potential. Thank you, my friends.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful. Sanjay, you have made the day. Sanjay, fantastic. You made the day. You made the day. Very, very nice.
Sanjay, you have taken the bar so high. I must appreciate your energy, your delivery, your content. Everything was just superb.
Thank you, my
have
friend.
taken the bar very high. Your communication, the choice of words, the selection of words. I mean, it's absolutely impressive. You are a rock star, Sanjay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my friend. With all humility.
Power-packed performance, bhai.
Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you, Rajesh.
Fantastic.
I did not feel that I am on a Zoom call. I actually felt like you were on stage and I'm your audience, and you have so much energy. And from the beginning to the end, and you kept engaging. Great content, great quotes, great stories, and I think you wove it very beautifully. So
thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. With all humility, thank you so much.
Very nice. Yeah, it was great.
You are the star.
Ganesh.
Thank you. Thank you so
Can
much.
I?
Thank you.
Pitch
Ganesh.
was right. The way it was delivered was right. And there was no hurry worry and all that, no nervousness. It was all great. We couldn't say that you're doing this for the first time. This was like you are a champion in this. So
Thank
it was
you,
very
Stephen.
nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ending
For
is
such a
also a very
kind
good
words.
one. Very rare one. Fantastic. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so
So,
much for kind
Sanjay
words.
bhai, Sanjay
Yes,
bhai,
please.
doing
Yes, Ganesh. Yes, Ganesh.
absolutely flawless. And I never thought that I'm listening some IIT student. It is such a professional person's experience I could hear. Your body language is amazing. Your slides were amazing. And you engage people with a dream, having the passing this particular ball to one person to another person. You made sure that all the related examples are clearly called out with your hand gestures, your movement, your facial expression. Absolutely stunning. I do not know how many times you did this practice, but it was really great. So I wish all the best, and you achieve your dream. That's what we can say.
Thank
I
you.
wish
Thank
that
you so much.
somebody is listening your dream also, like you gave a benefit to this Bhavesh, that his dream will come true. We all wish that your also dream comes true. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ganesh. And getting a complete non-critical compliment from you, Ganesh, it's a big thing.
Sanjay ji.
Yes,
Before
please.
Before you
Deepika,
start,
yes.
I remembered the Sanjay who was in Mahabharat. He had that quality of telling what he could see from very far and still communicating. And you did the exact same thing today. You communicated to us. We felt as if you are standing in person in front of us.
Wow.
Absolutely amazing, Sanjay. Absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
Way
Thank
to
you
go.
so much, Deepika. Thank you
Sanjay,
so
one
much.
request.
Yeah. Please. Please.
Sanjay, one request.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, Sanjay, one request.
Yeah,
Once you get this recording, so I would like to have a copy of this recording.
Surely,
Yeah, we
surely.
all want that copy, Sanjay bhai.
We all want.
And
we
as
all
a
want
yeah,
a copy of this
as
recording.
a opening batsman, Sanjay bhai, आपने century लगा दी पहले ही दिन.
Yes, thank you so much, friend.
Sanjay, one thing which I want to share. I will say like
Yes.
Can I share? Can you hear me?
Yes, I am, of course, all ears,
Yeah.
if
So,
Priya
Sanjay,
permits. Yeah.
I think for that 35 minutes that went on, I it didn't look like it was 35 minutes. It was just going on, and I wanted it to continue. Everything that the energy level with which you spoke, the clarity, there was no, there was nothing where you stopped anywhere or you were repeating things again and again. It was completely, engrossing, and I could feel that yes, अरे संजय को मेरा लाइफ कोच बनाना चाहिए. किधर भी अटक गया.
Thank you. Yes, Dashrath. Yes, Dashrath. Yeah.
Wait. There is a line which says that beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. But today I will change this line for you, which says that beauty lies in the art of speaking, and no one can do better than the Sanjay himself.
Oh my God, Dashrath. Oh my God. Thank you so much. With all humility. Thank you so much.
So now it is like a 40-minute presentation and 40 minutes comments.
Yeah.
Comments are not stopping at all.
Yeah, Suresh, go ahead.
See, Sanjay, the presentation, everything was true to your nature. You are being a very authentic person. That's what. And the topic you choose was dream. But the dream you link to your patterns and then the missing things and other areas. It was fantastic. You should have completed your 40 minutes. Then there are certain missing links. You could have done that because you left early. Pura century marne ke pehle you came up. That's where for 40 minutes would have made a full. Then this whole conversation would have been whole, complete and perfect. I am saying that shouldn't I stopped it at around 36 minutes, I think you packed up. That shouldn't have been done.
And just with due respect to your observation, Suresh bhai, with due respect, I wanted to take up questions, and I knew when I was practicing, I was going beyond 40 minutes. So I was having that worry that if I cross my limit, I would not be take that question and I make people, my friends, answer the solutions to their fears or their shortcomings, which I could do with couple of people, and I'm really satisfied with that. But with due respect to your observation and very well noted, sir. Very well noted.
So Suresh bhai, now we have to hire him to know those missing links. एक बार में थोड़ी पता चलेगा. Now we should hire him to know those missing links.
There are, sure.
Jayesh being the last one.
Yes, please, Jayesh bhai.
40 minutes, and this is the last feedback.
Yes, Jayesh bhai. Bapu, bolo.
Excellent, and I'm very happy with that original formula that you did with the research. It's a very simple, authentic. I never heard of any of these things, ABCD like this. It's a genuine, authentic work. I must appreciate for that, and really, really great. The delivery was far excellent. I mean, there's much more than what anybody could have expected. The last thing is that Tony Robbins just called me, said he wants your number. Can I share his number?
Jayesh bhai, we can discuss business post our session, post our office hours today.
Thank you.
Priya ma'am. Thank you, Jayesh bhai.
I mean, in fact, see, I don't have any great observations. Even I was thoroughly enjoying your session, Sanjay.
Thank you so much.
It was very
Priya,
good.
your voice is very faint.
Priya, your voice is very feeble.
Yeah. I'm rectifying.
You have to speak in the mic.
Yeah?
Yeah, better.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, much better.
Okay. Because I kept the volume low. Now I've increased it. Okay. So Sanjay, I was like really happy being part of your session. As everybody feels, it was a very high energy packed session. I have nothing new to say. All appreciations that your friends gave you, I second them, third them, infinite them, because it was really good.
Thank you so much.
See, one thing, if you go back and watch the recording, one thing that will strike very much in this presentation is the care and love for your participants that you had. What happens is many a times when we run a session, it's all about us. I have to do it well. I have to present my slides well. I have to, present my content well. I have to come across like a good speaker. When all this goes, there is an energy. When there is a counter energy, like when you come to a space where I would try my best to help others, I would just try to put out this message to others, whether I do it well or not. I have a genuine intent and let the intent speak for itself. Then the effect would be like this. So what I would draw all the people in the room, including me, from this presentation is when you love your participants, when you care for them, when you're coming to a stage not to prove yourself, but to just show the genuine care, I think there is some power and aura to it, and this presentation was a proof for that. Because in spite of, see, if we have to give any presentation, it had a clear objective that you wanted to really help people. Obviously, you took Q&A. You wanted to speak to me about the activity, but then your virtual ball activity with Sharing the Dream turned out to be very well. And I am feeling good now that I didn't influence you on anything and it went your way without any of my input. So it meant to be this way then. So very nice, Sanjay. I really don't have any observation.
Thank you so much, Priya.
And I want to say this, it's been a very, very powerful takeaway for me as well. There are times I get carried away.
Yeah,
with the
we can't
portions.
hear you. Sorry.
Is it so? Is it
Now
just
better.
Agnes or everybody?
We can hear you.
Ah, so it's just for the
difficult.
two Agnes.
Better now. Better
No, Priya, it's difficult for us.
At times the volume
Can you
is
keep
very
the
low.
speaker phone here?
What should I do? Should I speak like this?
Yeah, no, this one is better.
Okay, it's better.
We can hear you clearly, not a problem.
Okay, I can hear some echoes, but done. Pretty much I'm all applause for you, Sanjay.
Thank you, Priya. Priya, I would just like to mention once again what I did was, Priya, I just saw you giving feedback to all the 5 participants who spoke on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Believe me, I specifically worked only on those feedbacks, only on those areas which were your observation to that participant. I did practice 3 or 4 times my content, but only thing was the observation which allowed me to be little better than what I could have been. It
Good student.
definitely allowed me. Yes.
Good student, good student.
Okay.
Good student of good teacher.
1 second. I can hear some other voice constantly going behind. Is it someone else's TV or someone's talking? Something. Yeah. Thank you. Now, I don't know.
And Priya, all the participants, all my family members today who came here in the morning, I have already sent individual takeaways on their mobiles, which they can please check and use for future reference. That is already on your mobile. Every one of you. Every one of you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sanjay. Jyoti, are you ready? Yes, Sanjay, you can go to sleep today happily. You have done it. This day, mark your calendar. Feel proud of yourself. Kiss yourself. Say, I love you to you.
And then thanks to
You completely deserve it.
and thanks to Purvisha for a little talk which I had with her yesterday evening, and it was a very, very nice learning which we shared, and this also helped. Thank you, Purvisha, for that. Thank you so much.
Very nice. Very nice.